Hello and welcome to the July 2022 Manifestation Report with the Angels. I'm Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and healer. I'm the founder of the Quantum Manifestation and Angel Magic programs, and I help ambitious spiritual women to create the success, the freedom, and the abundance that they know they were born for. So let's get into the energy for this month. What the angels are letting us know is most important to focus on to achieve our goals and dreams with maximum efficiency and speed and ease. And while I'm choosing these cards, go ahead and choose numbers 1, 2, or 3 from the images below and let me know what numbers you chose. And in a few minutes, I'm going to give you your more personalized reading connected with those numbers specifically. So let's see what we got for July. These are awesome cards. Okay, so the first one is all about trust. That is something that is always a bit tricky for us as humans. I should say, first of all, that these are the draft of my own angel cards that are coming out in the next few months that are currently being produced. So trust, as we all know, this is something that is part of our soul growth, part of our soul lesson, part of our learning here on earth. So lean into that trust, trusting yourself, trusting your desires, trusting the angels this month. Keep going forward on your path. It is about trusting the manifestation process. This is one of the trickiest aspects of manifestation, and this is what the angels can help you with. So if you're feeling wobbly with that trust in any way, call in the angels. Archangel Michael's a really good go-to angel to call on anytime you need that boost of courage, boost of inspiration to help you to keep going and to trust. And the next card we got is healing the past. So this month is going to be a time of releasing, which sometimes can feel a little bit uncomfortable. So again, we want to call in the angels to help with that. Archangel Metatron is another powerful angel that you can call upon to help you to do this releasing. The next card we got is all about success. They're letting you know that success is on the horizon. So this is where the trust comes in. This is where the releasing and the up-leveling come in, because this is going to create the path for this success to come in, and it is all going to be worth it. You are going to be rewarded. You're going to see results from your efforts, from your manifesting work, and from your trust and faith towards the end of this month, they're saying. Of course, it can come through at any time, and you can always speed up the manifestation process with the angels. If you want any help with working with the angels, I do have a free moon manifesting guide with the angels, which you can use on the full moon and the new moon to accelerate your manifesting. And also, I want to let you guys know that I've just dropped a powerful training into my Angel Magic membership, all about manifesting abundance with the angels and how to do that with more efficiency, more speed, calling them in so you can harness their magical manifesting energy to access higher and higher levels of abundance. You can get in on that for just $11. There's also a bunch of other powerful manifestation trainings with them. You also get a personalized angel reading every single month for just $11. The link to that is below. So let's get into numbers 1, 2, and 3 now. If you chose number 1, this is for you. This is believe in yourself. So this is all about continuing to have that trust and that faith in yourself, in your own manifestation abilities. The angels are letting you know that this is the time to keep believing in yourself. If there's any part of you that is doubting whether you are worthy, whether you are good enough, whether it is even possible for you to manifest these big goals and dreams, they are saying, yes, 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 it is. Do not stop now. One of the biggest hurdles to manifestation is when people stop and they question if their manifestation is working, if they even have the ability to manifest, if all the things that they're doing are going to pay off. And the angels are saying, yes, 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 they are going to pay off. So keep believing in yourself, knowing that you are on the right track and you have all the tools and all the answers that you need within you. And the angels are absolutely there to help you to manifest this next level of your goals and dreams. So make sure to call the angels in. Archangel Jophiel is stepping forward to help you with this. She is so powerful to work with believing in yourself and accepting yourself on that next level. If you chose number 2, this message is for you. You've got releasing old patterns. So this goes along with what we were talking about in the beginning of the reading. You are meant to be releasing loads of old patterns that could be weighing you down from the past. These might not all be conscious things. Can be things from past lives, things that you've carried over from ancestral patterns that you've inherited, essentially things that we picked up from the collective, but also from this lifetime as well, and from past experiences. So this is a powerful month for releasing any patterns. If you've been noticing any patterns where in relationships, or like when you get to a certain level with your manifestation, or getting to a certain level of success, and then there's something that happens that seems to kind of bring you back to that same place where you can't seem to get past a certain level, this is what they're talking about. So call in the angels. Archangel Metatron, as I mentioned before, is so powerful with this. You can ask him to help you to release these old patterns, to release those blocks that are stopping you, to help you to move forward on your path. I also have a training inside the Angel Magic membership, working with Archangel Michael, who's so powerful with releasing patterns and wounds and blocks, that you can access again for just $11, as I mentioned before, if you want access to that, to help you to release these old patterns, these old stuck energies that can be weighing you down. And once these are released, and as the angels help you to release this, you're going to be able to move forward faster, and it's going to create more expansion energy, which is going to create the flow of abundance, the flow of being able to magnetize and manifest your goals easier. Now let's get into the message for number 3. Let's find out what the angels have to tell you. If you chose number 3, you got your gifts are awakening further. So this month is all about stepping into that next level of awakening your spiritual gifts, your creative gifts, what your soul came here to share, of that unique soul wisdom that only you share. Now, Archangel Haniel is stepping forward to help you with this. She is really powerful to work with at the new moon and the full moon, but you can call upon her at any time to help you to increase your connection and your trust in your intuition, because whether you're working with your spiritual gifts, like your healing gifts or your channeling gifts, or anything connected with the higher realms, and also creativity, these are all part of the same connection to your intuition. These are all part of your soul's messages, your soul's truth coming through, and the angels are so powerful for helping you to access these divine messages that you are channeling. So whether you're doing creative work, whether you're doing spiritual work, it's all coming from that same source energy, which is ultimately through your higher self. So Archangel Haniel is so powerful for helping you to awaken these gifts, to trust these spiritual gifts and creative gifts, your intuitive gifts that are coming through. If you've been feeling that nudge to take more time to go within, or to connect with the angels, or to do some writing or some more journaling, that is also a really powerful way to connect with your intuition, or to do any kind of creative work that can also enhance your spiritual side too. If you've been drawn to working with angel cards or oracle cards or crystals or anything like that, they want you to follow those nudges and go with them. Go with what is lighting up your soul, what you feel drawn to. This is going to be phenomenal for helping you to achieve your goals and dreams faster. So those are your messages for July. Let me know if you chose 1, 2, or 3 below, and how the messages resonated with you. Don't forget to pick up your free moon manifesting guide with the angels. And if you want to get in on the Angel Magic membership, go ahead and do that. The link is below as well. Have an amazing month, and I'll see you guys back here very soon.